today's video is gonna be another more natural-ish, neutral, normal, everyday type makeup, sorta. I mean, I'm not sure red lipstick is normal everyday makeup for everyone, but I'm going with it because it matches my shirt. Definitely not something I would normally wear often, but I hope you all enjoy it. Also, love my earrings. Your little, with your knives with a little red fake gem. All kinds of fun. But anyway, keep watching and have fun. And if it's not to your taste, don't do it. Just have fun with your makeup. Do what makes you happy. That's kind of my thing here. Hope you have a good day, and let's get started. Alright guys, so today I'm going to start with this little hard candy palette that I got in a Christmas set a couple years ago, and starting with this taupe color. And I'm just gonna put that all over my eyelids with just a regular eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going to go into the kind of goldy color and put that on my lid. Now I'm going for the darker brown color and putting that in my crease in the outer corner of my eyes. Now I'm taking a blending brush and blending that up. Now I'm taking an eyeliner brush and the dark brown and lining my lower lash line with it. Now, instead of putting that directly on my upper lash line, I'm taking a more creamy, retractable black eyeliner from Claire's and using that to line it so that I can have a good solid base, a good cream base that'll last most of the day before setting it with that dark brown eyeshadow. Now I'm setting it, as I mentioned, with that dark brown eyeshadow. Now I'm kind of adding a little darkness to my eyebrows. Not really filling them in or anything, just adding the slightest hint of the dark brown eyeshadow to my brows. I brush them out. With a little spoolie typey brush. And take my Peacock Flare mascara out. Then I realize I should probably curl my lashes first because it generally works better. So I do that. This time I ended up getting a little close to the ends and I realized that after, so I try again. And then I do and curl the other eyelashes. Then I put my Peacock Flare mascara on. And I make sure to put a little bit of mascara on my bottom lash line. Now I'm taking a Wet n Wild white eyeliner pencil and lining my waterline. Now I'm taking my LA Color Shimmery Loose eyeshadow in Snow White. And then I put that all over my face. Because I like to be shiny. Like Tamatoa from Moana. I like to be shiny. Now I'm taking a Color Mates lipstick and using that on red lipstick and using that on my lips. Now, I decided this wasn't necessarily perfect enough for me, so I'm taking my LA Colors Shimmery Loose Eyeshadow and a lip brush in Snow White again. And putting that in the center of my lips. Now I'm finding a different eyeshadow brush, a small one, and adding a little bit of this white eyeshadow to the inner corners of my eyes for a little extra shimmery pop. Because again, I like to sparkle. And that's it. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye.